Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you some old footage that I filmed a year ago, just over a year ago now. And it's basically me burying some silver coins in my garden. And the plan is to dig them up in 5 years time and see how they look. So we're already a year into this experiment, so we've got another 4 years to go. Now, some of you might have already seen it before on my older channel, but if you haven't, sit back, grab your popcorn and enjoy, and let me know what you think in the comment section. Thanks as always for watching. So in today's video, I'm going to be burying some silver coins in my garden, in the mud, and I'm going to be leaving them there for 5 years. So you can see these are 2021 Britannias. They've already got a bit of milk spotting on them that you can see there. But apart from that, they're fairly good condition. The reason I've chosen these coins is because they've got marks just under there, underneath the Queen's nose. They've got scuffs, so they're not completely pristine coins. They've already got a few milk spots and a little scuff there on them. Same with this one. I bought a tube of these and the last 5 of them had this scuff on them there, so I decided to use these coins for this experiment. Let me know in the comment section how you think they'll cope being in the ground. I'm not going to wrap them in anything. I'm going to literally put them straight on the mud and then fill it in with mud. So yeah, let me know in the comment section how you think they'll hold out. And then subscribe, and in 5 years time I'll do another video of me digging them back up and documenting how well they lasted. Let's get straight to it.